Key Nation, what's going on, man? It's your boy Emmanuel Ken, and we are back at it again with another video. When you see it in the title, today we're going to be going over the 10 essential things you need to set up a home studio. Let me make sure it's 10 because I got it on the computer. How long? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, okay, cool. I didn't want to mess up the title if I only gave y'all, like, you feel me, 9 or 11 things. That wouldn't really make too much sense with it. If you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe. Hey, that like button, be a movement, boy. Let's get it. We're going to be going over the 10 essential things. This is my list that I came up with. If you guys got any additional things that I probably missed, please comment down below. I am a sponge and I am very humble. I am very aware that I be making mistakes. I know I make mistakes, bro. So if you guys want to correct me, help me out, or whatever, please comment down below. And I will listen, okay? I promise you I'll listen, man. But these are the things that I came up with, and I got a lot of people that hit me up saying, yo, your sound sounds good, everything sounds good. What do you use? What equipment do you have in order to have your sound in the way that it does? And so I send them the list of stuff that I use. But let's go ahead and get into it, man. The first thing that you need for a home studio is a computer. You need a computer. Why do you need a computer, King? Because otherwise, what you gonna record into? What are you gonna record into? Well, I'm Mike, but you gotta have the signal go somewhere, right? The signal has to go somewhere. It's the computer. It's digital. We live in a digital age. That's what you need. People are recording on tablets now. I be looking on TikToks and stuff like that and seeing that people are recording on tablets and phones and all different types of devices. So that you really don't have no excuse, bro. Get you something to record on. Period. Point blank in the story. All right. Number 2, an audio interface. You need hardware in order for the signal to go into, not aside from the computer, from the digital, but you need hardware for the signal, the audio signal to go into. You need an audio interface, and it's not that expensive. There's budget audio interfaces out there. There's high end. I suggest you start off with the budget, but nevertheless, you need an audio interface, right? So that's number 2. Number 3, acoustic panels. Acoustic panels, bro. Acoustic panels. Now, I get it. I get it. Some of y'all might say, King, that's not essential. You don't need acoustic panels in order to record. Yes, but that is a huge difference in the quality of your recording. Huge. Huge difference in the quality of your recording. I see this and maybe it's just because I'm an engineer and I have those types of ears. But and you have rappers that record in bathrooms and everything when they're on tour or whatever, but that is, you know, catered for a specific situation. It's an anecdotal experience. In general, you need to have acoustic panels if you want your sound to sound somewhat of quality, okay? You need acoustic panels, bro. It is very, very, very important. You have to have, your room has to be treated. Your room has to be treated. I don't care what you say. Okay, you need acoustic panels, I'm telling y'all, right? So that's number 3. Number 4, you need a mic. Okay, now your mics can range from $50 all the way to $10,000 range. You got your Blues, you got your Newmans, you have Slade Digital, you have your what else am I missing? MXLs. You have all different types of range of mics that you can use for at your Guitar Center, order off of Amazon. But you need a mic to record. I will list everything that I use down below in the description. I am not sponsored by anybody. I wish I was. As I say in every video, I'm not sponsored by nobody, but I use all the equipment. I will list all the equipment that I use in the description down below so that you guys can see what I'm rocking with, right? So that's number 4. Number 5, you need a pop filter to reduce plosives. It's too many times where I've gotten vocals from other artists where you hear that. Let me do. See how annoying that sound, bro? That's horrible. You want to reduce those. You don't want plosives in your mix because it's gonna sound bad. The quality is gonna be low. It's not gonna be good. I suggest you get a pop filter for your microphone, please. If you guys don't take anything away from this, please listen to me. You need a pop filter, okay? Number 5, you need a mic stand. You can get that again at your local Guitar Center. George's Music or whatever. You feel me? You need a mic stand in order to hold the mic up. Simple, plain. You know, it don't get no simple. It don't get no simpler than that. You need a mic stand. Number 7, you need studio monitors. Okay, you definitely need studio monitors, and I'm gonna tell you the reason why you need studio monitors. And you need some good ones. I recommend you get some good studio monitors. You should have a range of monitoring, right? So what I mean by range is you need to have a good set of studio monitors to mix with, but you also need to listen to your monitors like in your headphones, maybe some like regular, Apple headphones. Some Beats or whatever the case is, and then maybe an old like stereo or like a boombox or something like that, so that your mix sounds good around all ranges. Because think about it, it can sound really really good in your good quality monitors, but you get into the car and it sounds trash, it sounds boo boo, right? That means your mix isn't translating. You need a different set of monitors, but the rule of thumb, you for sure need a good pair of studio monitors. I have the Yamaha HS7s. They've been great for me as of late. You feel me? They've been really good for me as of late. So I have the Yamaha HS7s, but there's a different type. There's all different types of ranges of studio monitors. You just need some good ones, okay? Some quality studio monitors. Now, number 8, cables. Okay, you need cables. You need stuff to hook up so that stuff works. You need power cables. You need XLR cables. You need male TRS. You need adapters. You need all different types. You need things. You need this stuff in order for your equipment to work. Okay. If you get everything and don't have cables, ain't nothing gonna work. Ain't nothing gonna connect. Ain't nothing gonna turn on. So you need cables. All right. You also need, number 9, a software. You need a digital audio software. It doesn't matter what it is. It can be Pro Tools. I've worked on a variety of things, bro. I've worked on Audacity, Mixcraft, Logic, which is what I'm using now, Pro Tools, which is what I'm using now, FL Studio. It doesn't matter. Studio One, Ableton. There's a gang of them out there. Just use one. It doesn't matter which one you use. It's fine. The industry standard is Pro Tools, as everybody knows. But make sure that you have one. Make sure that you have an audio software so that you can record your stuff into, so that you can have your stuff recorded, right? You need an audio software. So that's number 9. Number 10 is a pair of studio headphones. This is what I have right here. Okay, I got the AKGs, the K240 AKGs. They're horrible. Okay, I need to get better headphones. I'm not gonna lie to you. I don't understand why I got them. Yeah, I do, because I was being cheap. These are not good headphones though. I don't even know how many ohms they are. Okay, they 55 ohms, but these aren't good headphones, man. They're not good headphones, but I just use them because, hey, I got them, all right? In terms of headphones, what do you need specifically? You just need something in order to monitor the audio while you're recording, okay? You don't have to have studio headphones like these. You don't have to have them. If you have regular headphones and, and you right next to your computer, you can plug in I don't even have any, like, regular headphones around me, but your regular 3.5 millimeter headphones. That's fine. If you have an adapter that you can plug into your audio interface, you can use that. It doesn't matter. 1/4-inch headphones, it doesn't matter. Whatever headphones that you have, use them to your benefit. Okay? That's what you need. You definitely need headphones. So that is pretty much it, man. Those are the 10 essential things that you need in order to set up a home studio. As you guys have seen with the B-roll, you guys see the equipment that I'm working with, what I'm using, and how I have my sound in the way that it does. Now, you do have your variables, right? You can have compression. They literally have hardware for compressors, they have distressors, they have EQs, hardware for all of that stuff, that's when you get into your rack, right? And you have your audio signal going into this analog hardware to provide a different level of sound, okay? That's where we heading to next. I don't got that yet, but that's where we heading to next, man. I do not have anything else for you. If there's anything else that you guys want me to go over, I will have a separate video on how to hook all this stuff up, but this is just the things that you need in order to set up a home studio. Please comment down below and let me know what else y'all want to see. I need ideas for this channel, you feel me? I thoroughly enjoy talking to y'all and telling y'all about my experiences and giving y'all my knowledge on what I know, and I would love it if y'all gave me the knowledge on what y'all know. So thank y'all again. I'll see y'all in the next video. Gang!